imagine this. I had an idea and added that image idea in my Google Sheets. And boom, an AI generates that image for me and adds that image URL back in my Google Sheets. No manual data entry, no Photoshop, just pure automation. In this video, using Nano Banana and Pabbly Connect, we are going to create this amazing setup in under 10 minutes. And by the end of this video, you will create amazing AI images without doing anything manually. Over here, anyone can create this amazing setup because you do not need any coding and programming skills. It's a very simple and easy setup. So let's create this amazing automation right away. First of all, what is Google Gemini Nano Banana? It's an amazing feature of Google Gemini that helps us to generate amazing and creative images just by giving a small input. And using Nano Banana in this video, we are going to create this amazing setup, okay? So first, let me show you how this automation is exactly going to work, okay? I will add a new prompt in my Google Sheets and then we'll see how automatically the image is generated by Nano Banana and added back in my Google Sheets right here, okay? So first of all, for the prompt, I want to generate an image so my image idea is an astronaut holding a bunch of colorful balloons on Mars. It's a creative idea I have, okay? So now for the style of this image, I will write surreal, okay? So this is the style I have. Now next over here, I have to add the image type. It's illustration, so I will write this image type right here. As soon as I've entered the idea, style and image type, I will wait for Nano Banana to generate the image and add that URL back in my Google Sheets. And in front of you, you have witnessed that automatically the image URL is added right here. So let me open this URL over here. And you can see automatically this amazing image has been generated of an astronaut holding colorful balloons on Mars, okay? So this is how this amazing setup is going to work. And now let's dive into the creation of this setup. First of all, how this setup is going to be useful for all of you. So if you're creating images manually, it's cool, but it's not scalable. Over here, you have to go again back to your Gemini, add in the idea, and Gemini is going to generate that image for you. Instead of going back and forth, what you can do is create this amazing spreadsheet, add the idea in one place, automatically the image will be generated and added back into this Google Sheets itself. This will save a lot of time for you and you can get a systematic record of all your image URLs in one place itself. You do not have to go back and forth again and again on multiple applications, okay? With that, you can also generate daily content, add your ideas daily in the spreadsheet, image will be generated and post that image on your multiple social media platforms. You can generate amazing background images, you can generate product images, anything can be possible with this amazing automation that we will create in this video. So without wasting any more time, we'll dive into the creation of this automation. Simply open a new tab and write www.pabbly.com/connect and Pabbly Connect's landing page is then going to appear in front of you. So you can see this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now over here you will find two options, sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, directly sign in. But if you're a new user, sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. Let me sign in and then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button. Now we have to create a new workflow over here. For that, click on this Create Workflow button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select this new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable, familiar approach, select the classic one. I will select the new beta method and firstly I have to name this workflow over here. So for the name, I will write over here as Generate AI Images Nano Banana. Okay, so this is the name I want to give to this workflow. Folder, I will select the workflows folder and create the workflow from here. Inside Pabbly Connect workflow, there are two major steps, trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. So over here for the trigger, what we'll do is we'll select Google Sheets. As you want, as soon as I add the ID of the image in my Google Sheets, the response should be captured in this trigger right here. That's why for the event, new or updated spreadsheet row is going to be selected. Then click on this connect button. You will find this webhook URL using which you can build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Copy this URL and go to your spreadsheet. Simply from the panel, go to extensions, add-ons and get add-ons option. You will come to this window on which you will see the section that is search apps, where you have to search for what? Pabbly Connect webhooks. Select it right here. Okay. You have to install Pabbly Connect webhooks application in order to create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet from here. Okay. Then what you have to do is simply have to go towards this extensions section and you will see the option what? Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay, click on it and you can see right over here there is an option initial setup. Click on this option right over here and then the initial setup dialog box is going to appear in front of you. And in this window it is asking for the webhook URL as well as the trigger column. For the webhook URL, paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us, and for the trigger column we have to enter the final data column where the data will be entered so that the entire row's data should be forwarded towards the webhook URL. In this spreadsheet, my final data column, that is the trigger column, is column C. Okay, so I'm going to write over here as column C and click on this submit button. As soon as I've done that, it says setup configured successfully. Now go back. There's one very important step that you need to follow in order to create the complete connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. That is, go to extensions and Pabbly Connect webhooks and click on this send on event option. In order to send the data on time from Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect, you have to select this option because as soon as you will enter the new data, using send on event, Google Sheets is going to send that new data instantly to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so that is why it is very important to click on this option, that is what? Send on event. Okay, now this is how you create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. If I'm going to go back to my workflow, you can see it says waiting for webhook response. To check this connection is completely done or not, what I am going to do is I will simply add in the details like the prompt, style and image type, and then let's check whether automatically in my trigger the response has been captured of the new data or not. Okay, so let me add in the 3 of the details right here. You can see I have added 3 of the details. The prompt is a luxury perfume bottle floating in the sparkly lights. Okay, style is glam, high fashion, and the image type is product. Okay, I have added 3 of the details. Now over here, let me open my workflow over here and scroll down. You can see a new response has been captured. If you're going to tally the response, you can see the same prompt, a luxury perfume bottle floating in the sparkly lights. Type is product and you can see the style is glam and high fashion. As now this response has been captured over here in my trigger, Google Sheets has now been successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is completely done. Now using Google Gemini Nano Banana, we are going to generate an amazing image according to the prompt, style and the image type. Okay. For that, simply to have Nano Banana inside Pabbly Connect's workflow, add an action step in which for the action application, search over here for Gemini, select Google AI Studio, that is Gemini, and event is going to be generate and edit images Nano Banana. Select this image because using Nano Banana, we are generating the amazing images. Okay. Click on this connect button. Now if you want over here, you can select the existing connection from before from the drop down, but I will create a new one. For that, we need to provide what? The API key. To have the API key, we have directly provided you the hyperlink. Go towards this link right here. And after coming towards this link, you have to go towards this get API key section. Okay. After coming to this API key section, I've already generated the new key. You can see right over here. If you want to generate a new key from this create API key button, you can generate your own Gemini keys as well. I will simply copy my key from here and paste over here in this API key field and click on the save button. This is how Gemini is connected to Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now remember one thing, I have a paid account with Gemini in order to generate the amazing images. You also have to have a paid account for generating the AI images. Okay. Now as I have created the connection, now we have to enter the prompt. What is prompt? Prompt is a text using which this Gemini Nano Banana is going to understand that yes, This is the kind of image I have to generate, and it is going to generate us exactly that image that we wanted. Okay. So for the prompt, I have created a prompt. I will enter that prompt now. So this is the prompt I have. You are an advanced AI image generator. Create a high quality image based on the following fields. We have to enter the prompt, preferred art style, and the image type. Now for the data of these fields, we are going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. First of all, let me show you how mapping works. Okay. For the prompt over here, as soon as I will click on this field, the previous step is going to appear. You can see right here. If I'm going to scroll down, this is the previous step. As I'm going to click on it, this is the response that was captured in our previous step, and this is the prompt. Okay. This is the idea on which I want to generate an image. So I am going to select the data of this prompt from my previous response. Now as I selected this data from my previous response and I have not added the data manually, you can see the data in this field has been what? Mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become what? Dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this prompt mapped data right over here. Okay. Now it is asking for the style, for which I'm going to map the data of the style that I've received as well as the image type. So let me map the data of the image type also. Okay. It says your task, understand the main concept clearly, apply the giving art style accurately, generate the best possible visual output from the chosen image type, add sharp detailing, proper lighting and creative composition. Ensure the final image look polished, visually appealing and professional. Return the final generated image in a high resolution format. You can see right over here in this prompt, I've mentioned what I want and what I do not want. Exactly in points. If you want to use this exact prompt for generating your amazing images, you will find the workflow link in the description section in which this nano banana step has been added, and this is the exact prompt you can also use. Okay. So after adding this prompt, it is asking for the image URL, and image URL can be added if we are editing the images. But right now we are just generating, so I will skip the part and simply click on this save and send test request button. Now as soon as I will click this button, it will take few seconds for Gemini to generate us an image, nano banana to generate us an image. So we have to wait, and in front of you, you will see the response. The file URL has been generated. If I'm going to copy this image link from here and open it on a new tab, you will see Gemini has generated us the exact image. Okay. You can see right over here, this is a luxury perfume bottle with the lightning around it. And that's what my idea was, and I've added that over here. Okay. So as now this image has been generated successfully, now what I want is, I want to add this generated image URL back into my Google Sheets right here in the generated image URL field. Okay. For that, simply now what we are going to do is we are going to add an action step, in which for the action application, again I will select over here what? Google Sheets, and now the event is going to be what? It will be update row. Okay. Click on this connect button. Over here, if you want, you can select an existing connection. I will teach you how you can add a new connection in the action. For that, simply click on this sign in with Google button. Now over here it is asking for us to select an account that we want to connect to Public Connect. So this is my account, and in this account I have created my spreadsheet as well. So let me select this account, and then it is asking for the access of this Google account, for which I will click on this allow button, as this is safe process and my data is completely safe with Public Connect. So click on the allow button. Okay. Connection has been created. We have to select the spreadsheet in which I want to update the image URL. Spreadsheet is in the name of AI image creation sheet. So let me select the spreadsheet from here. Sheets is going to be a single sheet, that is sheet 1. Okay. Now it is asking for the row index, for which I will map the data of the row index that I have received in my Google Sheets tab. Then it is asking for prompt, style and image type. I do not want to update any of these things, so I will skip the part and simply map the data of the generated image URL from my nano banana step right over here in this generated image URL header. Okay. And simply click on this save and send test request button. I have received this response, which is a positive response, and in my Google Sheets you will see the exact image URL has been added successfully back in my spreadsheet. Okay. So as now this image URL has been added, this means this automation has now been successfully created. We have generated the image using Google Gemini Nano Banana and added that image URL back in Google Sheets just from the simple prompt that we received, a simple idea that we received. Okay. So this automation has now been completely created. And did you see how simple setup it is? It's a very easy setup. Anyone can create this setup. You do not have to have any technical skills in order to create this automation. Just simply build all the connections and your workflow has been created. Now let's talk about how you can use this amazing automation. You can create bulk images at once, not going back and forth into your Gemini account and asking for first image to be created. Add your prompts in your Google Sheets and automatically all the images will be created one by one. You can create amazing background images, amazing product images, any image that you want according to your business requirement. You can create social media posts with the help of this automation. What you can do is inside this workflow itself, you can add an action of your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, any profile, any social media profile that you want and post this image with the caption over there on your social media platform as well. If you're an agency owner, you can create amazing images according to your client's requirements from your Google Sheets directly, and you can create content on daily basis using this automation. So this is how you set up this amazing automation between Google Sheets, Nano Banana and Pabbly Connect, a powerful engine that is going to create amazing creative AI images for you on daily basis. So don't waste your time anymore. Use this automation and ease your image generation process for yourself right away. Okay? And if you want to use this exact workflow that I've created in this video, you can find the workflow link in the description section below. Go ahead and use it. Okay? And there is one more thing. If you want to start using Pabbly Connect for your business on daily basis, use this code that you can see on the screen right over here and you can get good discounts on the purchase that you do with us. Okay? So this was it for this video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or need support, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any other ideas for us to create a video on. Thank you so much for watching.